Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your double stops, okay? The double stops and improvise with chord progressions. Before then, if you like this video, smash the like button, share it so that others can learn. If you have any challenges, drop in the comment section. I would really appreciate that, okay? Also, I want to do the lesson in the key of G. This is the key of G. And the second string is there. So you have your G here again on the bar chord here. Okay. So you make sure you know your bar chord here and make sure you know your scale very well. So the first double stop there is your do and sol, okay, re and la and re. But this is your do, okay, your do, okay. So you have your do and la, re, la, do, la. So you play sol, la, re, do, okay. But you play the two at once. This is my wait. This is my picking. Okay, you pick the two at once. So when you're going forward, you play just the re, do, okay. Okay, so that is it. So you play from your okay. So the first chord is do, sol, la, va. Okay, this is your do. This is your sol on the key of D. This is the D. Just like playing like this. Okay, in that key of G. Okay, this is the do, sol, okay, la, va. Okay, but you play it on a chord shape, okay, and distant chords like the sol. You play the back, you play the chord shape like this. The same thing, okay. D chord shape, because the sol is in the key of D, so this is the key of D. This is the D major now, okay. And the va, okay. Then the la, just like holding your normal la on the key of, that is your E minor, okay. That is your E minor, and you're holding your normal la. That is a kind of a normal la on the key of G, the la chord, okay. But it's E minor, okay. So the first double stop there from the sol la. So you are going to be using your sol la re do in all the chord shape, okay, to play it. So the first one is that. Now go to your sol. Okay, this one bar from there. Sol, sol, re, sol, ti. Okay. Then you play. Okay. That is a sol, la, re, do. Okay, so that is your sol, la, re, do in the key of D. In the key of D, okay. While it is re, mi, la, sol in the key of G. Okay. Re, mi, la, sol, sol, la, re, do. Okay. Now go to your la, which is the E minor. Then you play from like this. That is a double stop here again. So from here you are playing la, do, ti, re in that key of G. Okay, you are playing la, do, ti, re. Now go to your 4 chord, which is the C major, okay. Okay. C major. Okay. And you play. which is the do, re, do, fa, do, re, do, fa. And in the key of C, it is sol, la, re, do. Then you go to your one chord now, G, okay? So this is how it sounds. So that is it. Wherever you don't understand, you can hit it on the comment section and give the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you bye in the next video. Alright.